Did you know we all have crystals in our ears? Let's talk about it. My name's Amy. I'm a vestibular physical therapist, which means I treat inner ears, dizziness, vertigo, and balance problems. It's not super common knowledge that we are all born with about 100,000 of these little guys inside of each ear. They're called otoliths. Oto means ear, lith means rock, ear rocks. A lot of people just call them crystals for short because they look like little granules of sand. While they are big enough to see with the naked eye, it is hard to see them without special equipment because they are located inside your skull. And no, they cannot be seen with an MRI because they are too small and they are clear. So where the heck are these crystals and what do they do? So let's dive into the anatomy of a human ear. You've got the external ear auditory canal that leads to the eardrum. Behind that is the middle ear, which is an empty space, and behind that, they've shaved into this so we can see the inner ear, but it's encased inside bone, temporal bone, right behind your ear in your skull. Your inner ear inside your skull consists of a series of tubes and sacs that are fluid filled, and inside these main sacs, the utricle and the saccule, you will find a membrane that has the crystals on top of them. Here's another view of how those otoliths sit on top of the membrane inside of the utricle and saccule. The purple things represent the crystals. The purpose of the crystals is to weigh down the membrane that they sit on top of. The membrane has nerve endings inside of it, and whenever you turn or move your head, it causes the membrane to bend, which bends those nerve cells and tells your brain that your head is moved. Your brain uses impulses from your inner ears to tell if you're in motion or not, to position your eyes when your head moves, and to produce balance reactions. And this is what they look like in real life under a microscope. Yes, they had to get these from cadavers because you can't cut open somebody's skull and get good results. Now, if you've ever had vertigo, you probably know about a condition called BPPV, where the crystals break loose from that membrane and go tumbling around in the ear canals, causing severe spinning vertigo. There are many reasons why your crystals can abnormally break loose, but I wanted to read a line from this study for you guys. In middle and advanced age, the otoconia decrease in number, especially in the saccule. They assume a specific fibrous and hollowed out appearance. That means they wear down over time. So if you have problems with your crystals breaking loose, it's likely from degeneration of those crystals inside your ears. If you have issues with vertigo, you can see a vestibular PT like myself, an audiologist, or an ENT physician. Follow me for more tips about dizziness, balance, and vertigo.